Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Hive, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hashrate, KR1, DMG Blockchain, DigiHost, Tokens.com, Luxfolio, and Blue Sky Digital Assets. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So huge drop today in Bitcoin, right now minus 7.5%. I mean, we were at 31,680. We're now rising a little bit again, close to 33,000 again. Yeah, so a tough day right now for crypto hodlers, investors, especially for altcoin hodlers. Dogecoin minus 23%. So a lot of these FOMO people are jumping out right now. Yeah, when we go to the mining stocks, Riot and Mara are holding well. They are doing recently very good here compared to the others, to be honest. Then we have Argo Blockchain. Yeah, yesterday was not good, but today, no big red here. We're bottoming out here for Argo Blockchain. Yeah, and then we go to the Canadian stocks. DigiHost, DMG, Hashrate, and Bitfarms are doing not good today. We now have two stocks of these Canadian companies traded on NASDAQ. This is Hashrate and Bitfarms. So far, it does not help. So it seems like when we have FOMO, we have bullish times. The NASDAQ is a big, big help for the stock price to push it up. We have seen this with Mara and Riot. And people are wondering now, okay, why do these other stocks not rise like Riot and Mara? I think... Riot and Mara, they have their established investors now, and Hashrate and Bitfarms are new on the NASDAQ. So we first need some kind of FOMO, some hype around crypto again to get these stocks known there. And I think, they have a huge upside potential here to follow Riot and Mara here on NASDAQ. Hive will be also traded on NASDAQ soon, so they are holding not so bad today, minus 3%. Another interesting miner right now is Gryphon Digital Mining here, ticker ANY, which will merge with 3D. Looks also strong right now, but overall crypto market is down. The other crypto stocks are, most of them are more down than the miners because we have the thing is why crypto is dropping is big China FUD again, because the Chinese province Sichuan closes 26 crypto mining mines there. So a big crackdown on crypto, and yes, we see it here on the hash rate. We are now at 99 exahash right now. So when we go to the 1 year chart, I mean 1 year ago we were at 120 and we are now at 100. So a huge drop here from the highs here of 191 exahash, the daily number, to 100. What does this mean? So first of all, the Bitcoin price drops. I think that some Chinese miners are selling because they maybe want to go into a new business. They have these data centers, so maybe they will put in some AI chips or something else. They have the computing power there. I think in China, the crackdown is not only on the miners, but on all crypto hodlers, and it's forbidden to trade and so on. So I think there's some selling pressure coming from China, and then there is a lot of fear on the rest of the world because of this, and they are selling too. That's why we see Bitcoin drop, I think. But when the hash rate drops and there are still remaining miners, they make more Bitcoins. And that's what we are seeing now. The difficulty, I mean, the last adjustment was minus 16%. So that meant 16% more Bitcoin for the remaining miners. The last one was minus 5.3%. Again, more Bitcoins. And the next one right now is estimated minus 16 to minus 12. It could be more, it could be minus 20%, because the next adjustment should be in 8 days or something like this. Maybe it will take longer because of the slow pace here. The last block was found at 17 minutes ago. There was a block today which took more than 1 hour to be to be processed. So very slow everything right now. And yeah, that means a lot more Bitcoins for our remaining miners. Of course, the market is selling because Bitcoin is down. But if you're a mining expert, if you're following my channel, you know that they mine more Bitcoins. And yeah, I think the drop of the difficulty will compensate the price drop completely. So instead of mining like 6 Bitcoins with a price of 50 or 60,000 US dollars, they will mine 10 Bitcoins with a price of 33,000 Bitcoins, 33,000 US dollars. So, and if Bitcoin gets back up again, you know, they hodl the Bitcoins, they will have a lot more. So fundamentally, very good for these mining companies. But okay, the stocks are down, but it looks like they're already recovering. And yeah, hopefully this is the end of the big sell-off. I mean, when we look to the Bitcoin chart, we were talking a lot about this Wyckoff pattern, and a lot of people hate it. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of similarities here with this textbook Wyckoff accumulation phase here. I mean, we had the distribution phase. We already know this. I mean, we were too late to see this. Okay. But now let's look to the accumulation phase here, to the textbook. And yeah, we're following this very nice here. So yeah, that time it was at 35,400. So we're now at 33,000 and we were at 31,000. So maybe we're right now at this level here, the spring or shakeout. And yeah, maybe it's over then, who knows. Maybe we will go sideways again. I don't see a drop to 20,000 or 15,000. Some people are talking. I mean, you never know. But with all these FUD we're seeing right now, all the media is covering it with China and so on. It looks like it's very difficult to get it below 30,000. Maybe it's gonna be a very short-term drop below 30,000, I think. Yeah, but obviously no one knows. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. There's a lot of negativity right now in social media, Twitter and so on. Everyone turns bearish right now. And when you remember like January, February, when everyone was extremely bullish, especially also on these mining stocks, yeah, that's often a point of a turnaround. And we had this, you know, we were all very bullish, and then we had this turnaround first in the stocks, then in Bitcoin, and we had this huge sell-off. It looks like right now, because everyone is bearish, this looks like a good point for a turnaround of the price, in my opinion. We will see. Okay, so hash rate down, difficulty down. Also in Ethereum, the hash rate is down here. Not that significantly here than Bitcoin, but it's also coming down. And yeah, we have news from Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. They bought again approximately 13,000 Bitcoin at the price of 37,600 per Bitcoin. So they now hold 105,000 Bitcoins. So that's approximately 0.5% of all Bitcoins. Yeah, they will be ever mined. So that's insane. And he has more money on the sidelines. I think they're talking about 1 billion. Yeah, so maybe he will buy more. So yeah, Michael Saylor is buying. Yeah, that's, I think, what he's always doing. We have Bitfarms is trading on NASDAQ today. Okay, we know today was not a big day for these mining stocks, also not for Bitfarms. But Bitfarms is now following HODL here, trading on NASDAQ. So when we get a turnaround in Bitcoin, I think this will help these stocks yeah, to get to a new level here. We have news from Hive blockchain. Hive expands its growth strategy in Sweden by sourcing more green energy here. So they're moving to Robertsfors in Sweden. There's a historic diamond factory. It's not a big facility right now, but they say, okay, they have some expansion potential there. It's 4.6 megawatt. So Sweden is now 33 megawatt, you know, the big facility in Boden. And yeah, now in Robertsfors. And yeah, Hive now has 133 megawatts worldwide. We can see this here. So this is Scandinavia here. This is Sweden. We have Boden here, the facility from Hive blockchain, and we have now the new one here, the 4.6 megawatt facility there. Yeah, so this is the Sweden operation here with 33 megawatts. Okay, let's move on. A few days ago, DigiHost announced a 15 million private placement here with institutional investors. Of course, because of this dilution, the stock dropped significantly. So the institutional investor bought at 1.8 Canadian dollars. The stock right now is at 1.4 Canadian dollars. So it looks like the investor paid a huge premium for this offering. So that's very interesting. So DigiHost looks now very cheap again. Okay, let's move on. So Plan B is talking about his stock to flow model. Right now it looks not so nice after this huge drop. But he said, okay, my worst case scenario is August 47,000, September 43,000, October 63,000, November 98,000, and December 135,000. So this is his worst case scenario. Of course, never knows, but I agree with that the summer is gonna be sideways. I don't see a big rise here in the summer now, because a lot of we need FOMO back, and this will take a while to get back on this track here. So I expect in October, November, December here, like in the last two bull runs, the rise in Bitcoin again. So yeah, that means more time to buy these stocks. At the end of the month here, I will get a big paycheck. My last one, and yeah, I will invest, I think 50% or so of this into these companies. I don't know in which one right now, but I will tell you then. Yeah, then I was chatting a little bit with HODL, with UNS. We're not happy right now because of this dilution, and no plans are announced, but I expect very soon an announcement here from HODL. If not, I think I will reduce my investment there. But I hope they will deliver something big very soon. They have to, because they now have approximately 100 million US dollars. And this should help right now with the China exodus, with the miners leaving China. There should be opportunities to buy Hashrate, to buy miners. We don't want, we want numbers. We want numbers on Hashrate expansion, on megawatt expansion, and that's what we need right now. I hope they will tell us soon. I hope this week. We will see. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.